My friend, my partner in crime, we have Katie! Hi, Katie!
Hi, Babs.
How are you doing today?
Okay, I went to the grocery store
That's
and bought.
awful.
Yeah, it was
I've
hot out.
never heard such a horrible word.
Grocery
What
store?
is this?
Ooh.
Shark Awareness Day.
How aware are sharks?
KT, are you aware of sharks?
I'm aware of sharks. I'm
Good.
especially aware when they bite me.
Are you more of them? Are you
doesn't
more
happen much.
aware of them today than you are any other day?
Well, yes, actually. There's a shark up there.
I'm very
See?
sorry to hear that.
That's the
very
map shark.
unfortunate news. Hey, KT,
I should bring
do
him
you
down
even
sometime.
know what a shark is?
That's the squishy thing that goes poing, right?
That's very disturbing, KT. I can't believe you'd say that just off your cuff like that.
Squishy thing that goes poing.
Now, KT,
You want to see disturbing? I'll show you disturbing.
what happens if a shark is in your house and it knocks on the door?
You better answer it. And hope you got some candy.
Wow, that's amazing.
Because sharks are
And I
always
bet-
trick-or-treating.
And I bet you would just love that, wouldn't you?
Oh, yes. I like to give sharks chocolate and see if they'll eat it.
You know who else would love that? The little Japanese turtle.
Oh, yes.
Olu Mel. He's a little Japanese turtle.
Jean-Claude Yamaguchi, or Olu Mel, or whatever.
Silver Fang's here, KT.
Hi, Silver Fang!
We have to pretend not to remember, okay?
Okay.
All right. Wow, KT, I forgot everything, didn't you?
Who are you?
Yeah, that was weird. Man,
What's
it's a good thing that Silver's here because,
What's the thing?
you know, she's the only one who can remember what we forgot.
What's the thing?
Yeah. And you know
What?
what? You know what else I think? You know what else I could remember? I can remember Kitty Boo!
Goodness.
Hang on a